Hello, you're listening to the Love and Money podcast with Shakira. And today I'm going to talk to you about NIO. As you know, NIO is the Chinese electric vehicle. This is the competitor with Tesla. Tesla, in the year 2020, which was right around the corner, people who got in early, they are millionaires now. For example, people who put in $50,000 of Tesla, it rose to $400,000. So people made a lot of money off of Tesla for people who got in early and who put in a lot of money. So the eyes are on NIO now. The people in the financial industry are looking at NIO, this Chinese electric vehicle, to see if it will do the same thing as Tesla is doing. And so the last time I looked at NIO, it was at $40 per share, and it has dropped down to $37 per share. So NIO, what it's doing is it is cycling. It is expected to hit above $60. It was $66 at a period of time. So it's expected to go above $60. Currently, it's at $37. And so if you get in before November, they are expecting that run up to happen in November. So what happened is with the NIO, after it reached its all-time high, NIO stock entered into a month-long downtrend until finding at May 13th, it bottomed at $34.06. Then the stock, it climbed back up and reached $55.13 on June 1st. So that's to $34.06 to $55.13. Then it hit another downtrend, which brought it to August 19th of a low of $36.24. Since then, NIO has regained the uptrend, making consistently higher highs and higher lows, with the most recent high of $41.86, followed by Thursday's low of $37.54. For the uptrend to continue, NIO will need to put in a higher high above the $42 mark before falling below the $37.50. So on Friday, there was a big bullish volume that came in and pushed NIO up to a resistance level of $39.61, where it ran into a group of sellers who dropped the stock lower. If NIO closes the day below about the $39.16 level, it will print a bearish inverted hammer candlestick, which could indicate NIO will lose its uptrend. If NIO can't make a new high, but doesn't make a new low, it's possible the stock may consolidate in a symmetrical triangle, which would be bullish. NIO stock is trading below the 8-day and 21-day exponential moving averages, with the 8-day EMA trending below the 21st day, both of which are bearish indicators. The stock is also trading well below the 200-day simple moving average, which indicates overall sentiment is NIO is bearish. So they want to see a bullish volume come in and drive NIO stock up to make a new high above $39.61. If it can regain the level as support, it has room to move up toward the $45 level. So basically what I'm saying is this stock is all over the place. It's going from $40 to $37, back to $40 to $38. And they are expecting it to get to $66 because it has been at $66 in the past. So basically, this stock is good for traders. So, say for example, it's at $37 right now. And so some of the traders are getting in on this stock, they're buying it, and then they're going to hold it for a couple of months to see that it goes up to $66, and then they're going to take their profits. And so that's what some people are doing with NEO, getting profits with trading the stock. On the other hand, some people are looking at NEO and comparing it to Tesla. Like I said before, people who got in on Tesla early are millionaires now. So some people are just buying shares of NEO with the plan to hold it because NEO is a relatively small company in China. They've sold a small amount of cars. They don't sell cars here in the United States, but they are planning to expand, and they have battery swapping stations. They are building battery swapping stations in several locations. So it's like if you can imagine a small company that is small right now, but will has plans to expand. And so some people are just buying and holding shares of NEO with the anticipation of the expansion happening. As you know, this is a Chinese company. It's not here in the United States. So it is possible that the stock could be delisted. Um, in the event that it's not delisted, people will be seeing a whole lot of gains with this company. But there is the possibility that the stock could be delisted. So this is a wait and see kind of stock. It has the potential to make buyers a whole lot of money if you get in, preferably before November because they're expecting the run up to happen in November. And like I said before, some people are getting in and trading the NEO since they see that it's cycling. Like I said before, it's all over the place. It's $37 today, it's $40 the next day, $38 the next day. So some people are getting in and grabbing that profit. So say for example, it's $38 today, then tomorrow it's $40. So that's a $2 difference times the amount of money that you put in there. That's your profit that you grab and you take out. So that's what some people are doing. And then other people are just buying um, shares of the stock and holding on to it. Some are buying small shares of stock. Other people with a whole lot of money are putting a whole lot of money into it with the hopes that the company will expand and become successful. But since this is a Chinese company, it is under the control of the Chinese government. So you do want to take that into consideration. And this is not financial advice, but it is a stock that people are looking at. So you may want to check it out, read up on it, look at it from day to day, see what it's doing, and then just decide if you want to participate in NEO or not. This is the competitor of Tesla. Like I said before, people who got in on Tesla early are millionaires now. And so here now is the opportunity with NEO. This is not financial advice. This is a Love and Money podcast with Shakira. If you like this podcast, please share it with one other person. Please hit the like and subscribe button. It helps the algorithm. Thank you for listening.